Hey guys, Coach 𝐸𝐭𝐿 here. Hope all is well. In this video today, I wanted to talk about the Power Lead system and basically the secret sauce to high ticket commissions. I know a lot of people want to start positioning themselves to earn high ticket commissions. High ticket commissions means you're positioning yourself at $1,000 plus at a time to be able to grow your income faster, not smaller. Okay, so you're going for the high ticket commissions that you want and that you deserve because you want to change your life and change your income faster and change the income that's coming into your business faster. High ticket commissions position you to be able to do that. Now with the Power Lead system, the Master Traffic Institute positions you to earn $1,000 every time you make a commission with the Master Traffic Institute. And on top of that, you are positioned to get $200 every time someone who comes to MTI with you gets a high ticket commission. So it's an override. Okay, that's pretty powerful. Okay, now anyways, what I want to talk about is really the secret sauce to high ticket commissions. And as I'm talking about this, go ahead and check out a video that I made called the Guru Blueprint, and that's where I go over why you need high ticket commissions, and I really kind of explain how the gurus have certain secrets to building income and overrides, pass-ups, and high-ticket commissions are part of that secret blueprint that gurus leverage, and now you have the secret sauce. Okay, now reason why you want to position yourself to make high-ticket commissions, and I'm going to show you how MTI works. You know, you have to think about this from a very practical mindset, not a money grab mindset, but a practical mindset. Okay, when you can make $1,000 in less than 20 minutes, that positions you to be able to walk away from an underpaid job. Some of you may have a job where you're not underpaid, but some people do. Myself, my story, stuck in a toxic underpaid job. Okay, and when I was able to start getting mid-ticket, high-ticket commissions, and I was at my job and commissions were coming, I said, oh shoot, I made $500 a day. Oh shoot, I made $1,000 a day. Then I was able to make a decision to say, you know what, I don't need this job. And literally that's what happened. I looked at my commissions as they were coming in, and one day they just pissed me off a little bit too much, and I walked out the door. So it gives you an opportunity to be able to match. Now, I didn't just make that decision happenstance. I have been in my mind and with my finances and with my commissions, I have been planning for that, and I have positioned myself to continue to get these types of commissions. So very practical. When you are able to make $1,000 in less than 20 minutes to an hour, then you can begin to make decisions to position yourself to walk away from an underpaid job if that's your reality. Okay, or even to be able to, I call it your freedom fund, to start building your freedom fund to one day walk away from a job. And that's another thing that I did. Okay, I didn't just happenstance just walk away from my job. Okay, second thing is, tiny $10 and $20 commissions are nice. I always say have a low ticket commission in your toolbox because, hey, it always helps. But I always say, as an adult and as a business owner, you have to think about what your real realities are. What is the level of lifestyle that you want to live? What are your bills? What are things that you need to cover? How do you want to be comfortable? When you're getting in low level commissions, it's not going to position you to be comfortable, to have more, to be able to not live paycheck to paycheck, to not have to hustle, right? But when you're able to make $1,000 commission, that can cover your car payment and you can have extra. Okay, so you also have to think about the lifestyle that you're trying to create, the income you're trying to replace, and do the programs in your toolbox position you to be able to do that. That's why high ticket commissions matter, right? High ticket commissions matter, hashtag. Okay, the other thing is, it takes the same effort, energy, and expenses to make a $25 sale as it does to make $1,000 sale. And I know that from reality because I remember when I first got into the world of mid-ticket high ticket commissions, my mind was blown because I was like, wait a minute, I'm doing the same, nothing changed. I was promoting the same way, I was marketing the same way, and I was able to get high ticket commissions and nothing changed. So it takes the same amount of effort, the same amount of energy, the same amount of marketing to make a low ticket sale as it does a high ticket sale. So position yourself to get high ticket commissions. Okay. The other thing is, when you have a system, it's really important when you have when you want to earn high ticket commissions, I should say, to be able to have a system. Okay, something that will help you get those 1K sales in your lap, and that you don't have to work 40 hours a week. Now, you do have to do work, but you don't necessarily have to hustle that hard. Okay, you don't have to do that. So you need a system. And with the Master Traffic Institute, we actually have a funnel. I'm actually going to show it to you over here. And this is all put together for you. It explains the Master Traffic Institute and invites people to either start a free trial or go ahead and get the Master Traffic Institute. It explains everything. You do not have to explain what it is. And it tells people everything that they're getting in the Master Traffic Institute, which, let me go over real quick while I'm talking about high ticket commissions, what the Master Traffic Institute is. Now, this is actually one of the steps here, but the Master Traffic Institute is a master course on lead generation and traffic. It's going to teach you how to do things like build a brand, how to generate leads, paid and free. Okay, it's going to teach you how to leverage content and how to do it the right way so that you can attract leads to you and actually lead to conversions and sales. And lead generation is the #1 thing that people have to focus on in their business, okay, is lead generation, because if you don't have any leads, you don't have any sales, okay? So this is going, this course is put together by top leaders in the industry, okay? So this is not like people who do not already have results. You have Frank Calabro, you have Rob Frazier, you have, all these top people, Sean Powell, Franco Gonzalez, and they're giving their secret sauce. These are not like things they just put together. They're actually showing you what they do in their business so you can apply it in your business. Now, I have another video where I showed where I just took one tip from Franco Gonzalez. He has a I took Franco's tip and Rob Frazier's tip, and he has a course on blogging. And Rob Frazier has a course on content creation, and he basically shows you how to leverage that to get massive leads in your business. And I was able to, over the last weekend, to implement that in my business, and now I'm ranking on the first page of YouTube for my videos for the programs that I promote, just from using what I've learned in the Master Traffic Institute. Okay, very powerful stuff, my friends. So when we talk about high ticket commissions, one way you get high ticket commissions is learning the things that are in the Master Traffic Institute and applying it to your business, which is pretty amazing. All right. So then the other thing is, when you have an opportunity to make more income in 15 minutes than most do in a month, that's pretty powerful. I know people who they work all month and their take home, they never bring home $1,000 at all in take home. Okay. They might make $3,000 a month. After they pay taxes and all this stuff like that, they have less than $1,000 left over. But you're positioned to be able to, when somebody makes a decision to get the Master Traffic Institute, to be able to make $1,000 commissions. Okay, and then the money comes directly to you. All right. And the thing is, there's plenty of people in high professions, doctors and lawyers. My brother's a lawyer, right? Go to school for years to be able to make $1,000, an hour, or $1,000 a day, or whatever. And we can do that in minutes, and we don't have to went to school to do it, right? So high ticket commissions positions you to make that high level income without having to go to school to get that high level, without having to get that debt to get that high level income. That's what it allows you to do. All right. And then I just showed you what the Master Traffic Institute teaches you. And the reality is, in any program, I don't care if you have a low ticket, high ticket, mid ticket, you cannot make any commissions in any program if you don't learn exposure, how to get exposure to your program, how to do lead generation. And that is exactly what Master Traffic Institute teaches. This is the part where a lot of affiliate marketers, wow, all of a sudden I was sounding like my New York was coming out, okay? All of a sudden, this is the area where a lot of affiliate marketers, they struggle, is traffic generation. Getting eyeballs on your content, getting eyeballs on your website, being able to know what to do to close sales, right? These are the skill sets. When we talk about skill sets that pay, these are the skill sets that if you apply them, if you learn them, you can you know, apply them in any business and create multiple streams. But a lot of people don't learn that. They don't learn it, they don't apply it. Okay? Or they learn it, they never apply it. One or the other. You have to do both. All right. So I did want to kind of take you into how to get started with the Power Lead system in the Master Traffic Institute. So what you want to do is come to the Power Lead system. You can start with the free trial. Go ahead and get the free trial. And then the next thing that you want to do is upgrade to Gold. From there, you can make a decision to go ahead and get into the Master Traffic Institute. Get in there and just start learning what's in there, applying it, and start, you know, your position and start making those $1,000 high ticket commissions. And that's really how simple it is. In the Power Lead system, you know, here's the thing, is not only are you positioning yourself to earn high ticket commissions, you're also getting access to a marketing tool suite that's going to help you grow not only your MTI business, but any business that you have online. It helps you create landing pages, capture pages, sales pages, and there's additional training in addition to the Master Traffic Institute. There's an endless free leads course which shows you how to get endless free leads from social media. There's a free ad secrets course that you get access to as well. There's a bonus training suite back here. There's a roadmap to riches which shows you how to take the Power Lead system and to make 10K plus a month or whatever income you want with it. Okay, and then there's the Power VIP Club, which just gives you access to like share codes and things like that to be able to create awesome capture pages or high converting capture pages and sales pages with the Power Lead system. And that's really what it is. I was actually coaching someone today, and I was explaining to this because my goal is to help, you know, beginners make their first $1,000 a month online, okay, or more. And I was talking to someone today about how important it is to have an autoresponder, and I was kind of explaining to them about the Power Lead system. And I was like, you know, when I was working full time and I was at my job, you know, a lot of people say, how are you able to close those sales or wake up to sales? Because of my autoresponder. Because I did things like put content out, and I said, hey, check out my video. Well, while I was asleep, people are going through my system, watching my video, going to my link, and my autoresponder was following up with them. And people made a decision, you know, to partner with me in my offers based on my content and my autoresponder. Those were the only two tools I really leveraged, in Facebook, of course. So, you know, the Power Lead system is going to give you the tools, and you're going to get access to the high ticket commissions. All right, so that's it. Check out the comment section beneath this to learn more about how you can start earning high ticket commissions with the Master Traffic Institute. That's it, really. And hit the subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye, my friend.